katong kumaga mura o sinsilyo naman to. Ospo na to. Ospo na to. St. Columban at 67. Sige. Adisir ko muhatag sa premyo. Papadayon na sa ako paghatag sa ako hamong minsan. This grand alumni homecoming is a celebration of more than just our individual achievements. It is a tribute to the shared journey that began here within the walls, the corridor of St. Columban School. We gathered today. It's impossible not to reflect on the memories we created in this very place where we spent some years of our academic journey. Some of us naglakaw leading Mount Corridor just a few years ago, while for others, it's been decades since you graduated. But one thing that unites us all is the shared experience of being part of something greater than ourselves. The unique bond of being part of this institution. Kaganihang buntag, atong nadungog ang nostalgic testimony ni 1974 batch mon sa Caldito. Kang Father Igyan o kang atong panyera 1993 batch. It's here that many of us learn not only the academic skills we needed to succeed in the world, but also the invaluable lessons of friendship, perseverance, and determination. I'm sure each of us has a story, whether it's about an inspiring teacher, a late night study session, or the people who became lifelong friends, whether katong atong giingon sa unang SSDO, sikit-sikit dili uyab, that has stayed with us and shaped who we are today. O karon, looking around, we see this institution continues to thrive. The campus may have changed. There will be new buildings, new faces, and new programs. But its core, the spirit of St. Columban School, remains the same. It's the place that prepares its students not only for the success in their careers, but also for making meaningful contribution to society. Isip usa ka alumnus. It's heartening to see how the next generation is building upon the foundation we helped create. The legacy of our time here lives on in the achievements of today's students as we reconnect with each other. It's a reminder that we are all part of something that is bigger than ourselves. A lasting, ever-evolving community that continues to shape the world. Today, this activity signifies a family bound by a common history, shared memories, and the unwavering spirit of our alma mater. This gathering is a powerful reminder that no matter how far we have ventured or how much we have achieved, St. Columban College remains our home. It was here that we were shaped into the individuals we are today, ready to face the world, to contribute and to live. As a matter of fact, St. Columban College has produced and will continue to produce professionals, businessmen, parents, leaders of our society, to mention a few based on our record. Secretary and former Governor Cerrillis is a graduate of 1962 batch. Undersecretary and former Congressman NAPOLCOM Commissioner Sandy Oro is a graduate of 1964. Ako nakita na ganiha mapagarbuhon nga may marcha dire sa ato ba. Usa sila nga naghatag og dungog kadungganan sa atong eskwelahan. Vice Governor Roy Arus, 1970 batch og ganiha ipakita niya nga bisan og 1970 batanon lang gihapon hiniapil sa maong dula. Congresswoman and Deputy Speaker Divine Yu is a product of St. Columban College. Your speaker today, I wish to share to you my untold story. After 1974 graduation, I became an OSY because I came from a family of 7. Third in the family of ang akong duha ka magulang mo pa'y kaya nga di pa eskwela sa akong dinikan. After graduation, kining akong mga classmates, 1974 batch na naa sa atubangan, nagkuha ay na o address kung asa mag-eskwela. Ako pa mo'y white karon tubag kung asa mo eskwela. After 6 months of being an OSY, akong ginpaningkamutan to do justice with what I have learned with St. Columban. Mingon ako nga ako magperme ako sa akong lungsod base o commander ko sa rebuilding ni atong panahon. I went back to my birthplace, municipality of Clarin, Misamis Occidental, and work as a working student, work for my college education. Ahente sa insurance, ahente sa libro, until I got elected as Kabataang Barangay President of the City of Misamis, then the whole Region 10, and then the National Executive Committee. And I had the opportunity to work with former, now Senator Amy Marcos. Nahuman ako akong pagka-eskwela, isip usa ka working student, and then nagmalampuson nga usa ka businessman. And then with the blessings of God, I joined public service. And then nahimo usa ka board member, vice governor, 9 years congressman, deputy speaker, and now governor of the province of Misamis Occidental. Buong kasagot ng inyong produkto, ang produkto sa St. Columban, nahimo nga usa ka leader, dili lang sa atong probinsya, kundi sa other province, as I had said as an example. Ingon anak, ang atong pagbuhat sa atong natunan diri sa St. Columban. As governor of the province of Misamis Occidental, I am truly proud and honored to be part of the prestigious institution as High School Alumnus Batch 1974 of St. Columban High School. The lessons that I've learned from the teachings of the Sisters of St. Paul of Chartres that centered on Christ, charity, charity, commission, and community have formed part of my life's achievement, both as businessman, as public chairman, and as I said, from a barangay leader and to what it is today, a governor leading a province with 647,000 inhabitants. Our vision is Asinso Misamis Occidental o kung saan na klase kapag Asinso, aligned with what I've learned here in St. Columban. Kung saan klase na mag-Asinso, nga ang Misamis nun, magpuyong malinaw, malambuon o malipay, guided by our core values, which I also learned from this school. Misamis nun, matinahoro, matinatanon, matinabangon o mahigit.
Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.